Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing assets and tools. This is where you act. Export the existing theme with God Mode 9 so you have a working baseline. Create PNGs sized for 3DS banner and icon. Make sure resolution and alpha channels match the CTR template. Open the CTR theme editor on your computer, load the exported files, and confirm palette compatibility. Once done, organize layers and name files clearly so you won't lose track during the next steps. Now you assemble components and test iteratively. Import the prepared PNGs and audio into the editor, then map frames to animation sequences. This is how timing and visual flow are created. Adjust transition, easing, and durations so menus feel responsive. You want smooth 16 to 24 frame animations. Be mindful of palette swaps and tile compression because the 3DS hardware limits color sets. When satisfied, export a compiled theme package and validate file structure before moving to installation. Finally, install and verify the theme on your device. Copy the compiled theme to the proper SD path or use a title manager to inject it. Make sure the SD has sufficient free space. Boot the 3DS home menu and inspect every element, icons, text contrast, animation loops, and sound alignment. If something breaks, don't panic. Check palette limits, re-export with different compression, and rebuild the package. That single troubleshooting tip, verify palette and compression, fixes most visual artifacts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.